Hello and welcome back to Full Scholarships. If you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button and also press the bell notification to get exclusive notifications first. Here you can check our Full Scholarships Instagram page where you can get the scholarship link in our bio or Instagram story. You have to choose your scholarship according to your stream, then click on the link in story or our bio. So for today, we'll be discussing the top 40 scholarships without requiring IELTS and TOEFL exam. So let's start. These 40 scholarships without IELTS TOEFL requirement are to study in 2021 and 2022. All international students can apply to these. The scholarships will be covering bachelor's, master's, PhD degree and postdoctorates. Here is the top points that we are exempting from these scholarships. There is no requirement for IELTS. There is no requirement for getting English proficiency certificate. If your previous degree is in English, that is enough. And there is no requirement to get TOEFL exam. Here you can see the top 40 list includes Asian Institute of Technology, Thailand. It's also fully funded. Shanghai Government Scholarships, no IELTS requirement, it's also fully funded. Taiwan International Graduate Program, and there is no requirement for IELTS and financial coverage is fully funded. Nanjing University Scholarships, no IELTS requirement and the coverage is fully funded. University of Brunei Darussalam Scholarship, and it's also fully funded. Qatar University Scholarships, it's also fully funded. ANSO Scholarship Program China, it's also fully funded, no IELTS is required. Doha Institute of Graduate Studies Scholarship, it's also fully funded, no IELTS is required. Hokkaido University Scholarship in Japan, it's also fully funded, no IELTS or TOEFL is required. If you have, then it's not mandatory to submit. You can submit as an additional document, but it's not mandatory. Next is our Toyohashi University Scholarship in Japan. It's also fully funded and no IELTS or TOEFL is required. All over the world, students, international students can apply to this. Azerbaijan Government Scholarship, it's also fully funded, no IELTS is required. Hamad bin Khalif University Scholarship in Qatar, it's also fully funded, no IELTS is required. ISDB Islamic Development Bank Scholarship, it's also fully funded and no IELTS is required. We are discussing the list of top 40 scholarships. Some of them are open and some have already closed and some of them are opening in the next months or upcoming months. And our next on the list is NCTU Scholarships 2021 in Taiwan. It's also fully funded. No IELTS or TOEFL is required. There's also no need to contact the professor for any details. You can directly submit and the chances are very high. And more on our list is Confucius Institute Scholarship, CSC Scholarship, Schazerman Scholarship, Jiangsu University Presidential Scholarship, Chinese Provincial Government Scholarship, Beijing Government Scholarship, Hubei Government Scholarship, CAS-TWAS Scholarship, Postgraduate Research Scholarship, China Development Bank Award for Outstanding International Student, the Hong Kong PhD Fellowship Scheme, Chinese University Program Scholarship, Qiangdou Government Scholarship, Siemens China Scholarship, it's particularly at Tsinghua University. And next is our Next Asia Pacific University Japanese Government Scholarship, Asian Development Bank Scholarship, Tokyo. It's Tech University Scholarship in Japan, Next Tokyo Institute of Technology Scholarship, OIST Internship is in Japan, Korea University Scholarship. It's starting from the upcoming spring. UTS Global Ambassador Scholarship, University Capscom, Malaysia. It's UCAM Scholarship also known as. It's Russell E. Train Fellowships, and the last is fully funded Russian government scholarships. So here is the 24 and these are 24, so it's almost above 40, the list of top 40 scholarships. So let me show you any one or two of scholarships, how to get to the website, how you can proceed to the scholarship. So here you can see is Asian Institute of Technology. After clicking on this, you will be redirected to Asian Institute of Technology University page. It's official university page, and here you can see the scholarships. Here's again the list of scholarships that is provided by particularly Asian Institute of Technology. So from redirecting to our website to this Asian Institute, you will be directly, there is no third party website included. You will be directly redirected to Asian Institute of official university. So choose according to your stream, like here is masters, here is doctoral, and there are different types of scholarships. There is list of scholarship, like you can also choose from Royal Thai Government scholarships, Asian Development Bank scholarships, Japan scholarships. These all are included in the Asian Institute of Technology scholarship list. So you can see on the right side, on left side, here's the tab eligibility process, the deadlines, expenses, scholarship list, like that we have shown you. Here you can check your eligibility according to your program, and here you can see the expenses, what will be covered in the scholarship for doctoral, for masters, 1 year program and certificate course. Here you can see the amount. So here is the, you when you click on the forms, you will be given the link to apply to scholarships. This is Asian Institute of Technology registration form, student ID card form, and accordingly insurance, health certificate, medical insurance. And for visa purposes, you have to, when you will be selected for the scholarship or you will be granted admission, university will contact you for visa details and you will be sent an visa letter. So you have to consult your nearby embassy for that country, and embassy will take care of it. You don't have to pay any fees. So there might be some little fees for documentation, but there is no fee for this getting visa. University will cover everything. So let's begin to our next. It's Shanghai Government Scholarship, and here is Taiwan International Graduate School. You can click on any of them. The links are clickable. So let's click on the Taiwan. You will be redirected to this Taiwan Graduate Program Scholarship University. Here you can check everything. Announcements are there for like new admissions, English courses, internships, international internship programs, presidential fellowship, everything is listed here. You can check according to your these admission requirements, like here you can click on the scholarships. You can check the how much is the stipend for first year, and it increases accordingly to your program course or the duration of the course. You can check all the what are the courses available at this Taiwan Graduate Scholarship course available. Research you can also do here, and you can check the contact details accordingly. So moving on to our next. So next is like Nanjing. You can click here also, you will be redirected to this particular university. And our let me show you one again. One more, it's University of Brunei Darussalam. Many of them international students have not heard about the Brunei. It's the fourth richest country in the world. You can also Google it. So let's click on that. You will be redirected to our university, our website page. Here we have also earlier published this scholarship, and you can check and check eligibility, and you have to scroll down, and here is the last in the, here's the link. You can click on the apply here. Today is the last deadline. We are posting the video. I have seen it, and you can see you will be redirected to University of Brunei Darussalam website. Here you can see bachelor degree, master degree, doctor of philosophy. You have to click on the, you can, there are two scholarships for Brunei. One is providing by government and one is provided by the university. You have to select according to your choice of studies, you graduate scholarship, research scholarship, or UBD bursary. Let's choose the UBD university scholarship. Here you can see the eligibility and award. Then you have to click on this online admission system. You will be redirected to university website. Here are the dates of application opening and closing for graduate, undergraduate, short courses, bridging courses. Then you have to register a new account here. Click on the any of the course, like you have click for graduation. So let's click for graduate, like including masters and PhD above. Then choose the first choice, second choice, like a PhD, whichever you are intending to study, like geoscience, mathematics, every subject is covered here. Let's select any of the biological research, choose second choice. Let's select any of the computer science. When you are just your most recent applied, if you have any recent applications to this university. Let's say we don't have any applications, like let's choose uh, and do you want part-time or full-time? So let's say part-time. Not. Then choose your title, fill this application form, choose photograph, contact details, emergency contact, add your kin, and choose your research publication if you have any, provide the proposal, research proposal, employment if you have any employment details, any work experiences, funding details, UBD scholarships if you have any, already select your school, English proficiency, provide the references, medicals, files, then upload the files in a PDF format, and you have to upload your recent education documents, transcripts, English certificates if you have any. Then click agree and write the captcha code and here save and submit. You can also save the application by step. So this is how you submit the applications, and you can choose the list accordingly. So let me remind you again, if you have not subscribed or followed our full scholarships Instagram page, click on the follow button and receive exclusive direct messages on your Instagram page. And if you are not subscribed to YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel full scholarships. Press on the subscribe button and click on bell notification also. Thank you for watching this. Please share and like this video. If you have any difficulty, please comment below and tell your difficulty, or suggest any scholarship, suggest whatever you want. Please write down below where are you stuck, how you want us to deal with these steps. If you have any requirements, like you need any CV, resume, or any application guidance, you can comment down below and we will reach you back. Thank you for watching.